Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss very important topic with respect to MPPSC prelims examination. It is various sports institution and their headquarters. Why this is important? Let me give you an example. So this is the picture I have taken from 2019 prelims paper of MPPSC, and you can clearly see that the headquarters of IIF was asked in the year 2019. That is International Association of Athletic Federation. Now, the last paper of prelims examination, another headquarter was asked, and it was asked of International Olympic Committee. In 2 consecutive years, 2 questions relating to sports institution and their headquarters has been asked. So we should at least expect 1 question this year too in the examination. For this, we are going to prepare this topic. Now you know the importance of this little topic, so we must prepare well. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First, looking at cricket, that is ICC, International Cricket Council, and its headquarters is in Dubai, UAE. Chess, the headquarters of World Chess Federation, also known as FIDE, is in Athens, Greece. Okay. Vishwanathan Anand is very famous chess player of India. You should also keep it in mind. And recently we have done very well in chess. Now the Federation of Badminton. This is also important because of PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal. They have made the sport really popular, and its headquarters in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So this is quite odd, but you have to remember it that it's in Malaysia. So International Tennis Federation was in India by Saina Nehwal, Mahesh Bhupathi, Leander Paes. So its headquarters is in London, UK. This is also important. Now coming to weightlifting, this is very important this year, especially because Meera Chanu has won the silver medal in the Olympics in the weightlifting category. So its headquarters is in Hungary. This is very important. Shooting Sports Federation, another important one, it's in Germany. This question, as you can see, it was asked last year, International Association of Athletic Federation. So it's in Monaco, Europe. ये आप देख ही सकते हो, लास्ट बार पूछा था. Then World Wrestling, this is also important because of Yogeshwar Dutt and Bajrang Punia. The headquarters of World Wrestling is in Switzerland. Coming to FIFA, very important, this can also be asked. So this is in Zurich, Switzerland. FIFA is very important. Now FIBA, that is Basketball Federation. It is a very popular game in the United States, and its headquarters is in Switzerland. Okay. Cycle Union, not so important, but its headquarters is also in Switzerland. International Hockey Federation, as we all know, hockey has won many accolades for India. So its headquarters is in Lausanne, Switzerland. Now the following have all their headquarters in Switzerland. Let's look at each one of them in a glance. So in All India International Boxing Association, also in Switzerland. Swimming Federation in Switzerland. World Archery, also in Switzerland. Golf Federation in Switzerland. Gymnastic Federation in Switzerland. Judo Federation in Switzerland. Table Federation, made famous in India by Monica Batra, also in Switzerland. Volleyball Federation, also in Switzerland. And International Olympic Committee, which was asked this year in the prelims examination, it's also in Switzerland. So for a thumb rule, if you are not aware of the headquarters and if they ask, so you should go by Switzerland, and you would have more chances of getting it correct. So with this, we come to the end of this video. And if you are new to my channel, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really gives me motivation to make such videos. Thank you.